Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. In today's video we are going to cover the Bitcoin diamond pattern that we are right now. This is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. We are going to understand a little bit what this pattern means, how it plays out, and what we have right now in the chart from the last weeks, and also how you can trade this. So basically you can see this is the Bitcoin chart, again USDT. And this is daily candles. We have been breaking down since $30,000 in June. And you can see here from June, we created this ascending channel, which is actually a bearish pattern, even if you have higher highs and higher lows here. This is a bearish pattern that play out perfectly at the end of the wedge. You can see that we break here $23,000. We come back and test it right now, $18,000. We have body close here below than the previous body close on June that we created the last lower low in the price of Bitcoin in this bear market. But since August 19, we have been creating this pattern that is called diamond pattern. I didn't saw many other YouTubers talking about this, but for me this applies perfectly. So like you can see here, we have two types of diamond charts. We have a bullish diamond pattern and a bearish diamond pattern. This means that we can see this pattern at the bottom of a trend and acts as a reversal trend, or we can see this at the top of a trend and act as a reverse trend. And here you have the two examples, having a price action from the downside to the upside, entering into the diamond pattern and breaking bearish. And here you have a chart pattern diamond bottom doing the opposite. In this case, we are in a diamond bottom pattern. You can see here that we enter into the diamond from a higher price. So from a higher level, we enter into the diamond. So we are in what we call diamond bottom. We have the price action inside the diamond. In order to get this pattern, you need to have price action touching 4 different trends. So in this case, you have 2 bottom trends and 2 higher trends that act as resistance. So you have support and resistance inside the diamond. The target of the diamond is the height that you have inside the diamond, and this is from the breakout point that you cover here, like it's here. And here you can see a diamond bottom acting in a chart itself. This is dollar against Japanese yen. In the Forex 1-day chart, you can see we enter into the diamond pattern. You need to put your stop loss. Usually it will be at the bottom line of the diamond. And once we break, this is the target level that you are going to have. So in our chart, you can see we enter into the diamond pattern. We have these two acting as support, and this is clearly support. You can see these 2 candles first. Then you have wicks and candles here, confirming that. And on this side of the diamond, you have all these wicks and bodies here acting as support all this way up. On the upside, this is actually a clear resistance. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 body candles here acting as resistance, this wick, and eventually at the peak of the diamond here, you have this wick also here. The only trend that I don't like too much is this one. This is only acting as resistance, 1 here on this wick, and actually acting as resistance right now in the current candle that is almost to close. If you remember yesterday in Twitter, I posted here that I was not bullish on this candle, the candle of the 4th of October, because we needed to break 20,400 first to be a little bullish. But again, for really start to be a little bullish on the chart, we need to go about $21,500. So these two are the levels that I was mentioning yesterday to watch. And we didn't break that level. You can see today the wick went to 19,700 and it comes back a little. This is good because you have a little of buy pressure here at these levels. But again, we are still inside this diamond pattern. So let's measure this. If we break this pattern from here to here, and let's say that we break here the 12th of October, the target it will be $25,000. Which actually is the bottom here of the channel too. So that makes sense. And actually is a very important psychological level. So we have this ascending channel inside this, and we have this diamond pattern playing right now. But also I am looking at this. This pink line that I have drawn here in the chart was resistance here and was support and resistance before in 2021. But was clear resistance in these 2 points and months later was resistance here in the ascending channel, and right now was resistance here in this diamond pattern. So taking in consideration a big time frame, this pink line with another support line here, this another pink line, for me we are also in a descending triangle here inside these two. You can see this downtrend going here that acted as resistance here, here and here, and this bottom which is support, 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 and support inside the diamond too. So that is the big picture for this chart from me from June. The descending triangle is a bearish pattern, so if this breaks to the downside, we are going to see $12,000–14,000 for Bitcoin. But if the diamond breaks to the upside and we break these levels, 20,400 and 21,500, then I see we can consolidate some bullish action around this area. And if we have very, very bullish, we go below this rectangle of support here that now should be resistance, the $28,000. So guys, right now we are in this diamond bottom pattern and we can still be here inside like almost 1 week more. So be sure to not trade this until you have confirmation. We could have some fake out here and going to the other side. This usually should be bullish, but we also could break to the downside, and that would mean that this diamond pattern is actually not the reverse pattern, but a continuation pattern. That is also possible. And if we break to the downside, that would be very, very bad, because the target will be $15,000, 14,500, around $15,000, and breaking all these levels would trigger a mass short positions here. So we can go with a very big candle to the downside. But for now, I'm still waiting and see from where we are going to break this and to where, to the upside or to the downside. So just pay attention. I will make a long position about this level to get some traction of this. I will take profit here and leave it a little more of that trade in order to take profit up here. But if we go to the downside, I will trade that until this support area, the 18,700, start taking some profits there and leave some other part of the short position for this downtrend. So guys, that is all for this video, diamond pattern that we are right now. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. On the next video, guys, I'm give you a trailer, spoiler alert. It's another video about Arbitrum airdrop. I did some research for DAO voters, so pay attention, subscribe to the channel if you want the Arbitrum airdrop. The next video is about that. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.